Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com, and in this video I'll be talking about a SaaS tool called Diaflow. Diaflow is a no-code AI platform that helps you create AI agents, automated workflows, and AI internal apps and tools to effortlessly scale operations. In short, Diaflow helps you completely transform your productivity and operational efficiency by scaling AI across your business. Right now, you can grab lifetime access to Diaflow at AppSumo for just $79. What's coming next is a quick Diaflow tutorial where I'll show you how to build generative AI apps and AI agents on the platform to streamline and scale your operations. But before that, let's quickly explore the Diaflow lifetime deal at AppSumo and see what's included in each AppSumo plan. So Diaflow just went live on the platform a couple of days ago, and you can grab lifetime access to it for $79. If you're an AppSumo Plus member, you get a 10% discount. AppSumo will increase the price of Diaflow in just a few days. So after watching the tutorial, if you find this tool helpful, then you can get it for a discounted price. Let's check out all the licensed TAs that are available. If you're an AppSumo Plus member, you get a 10% discount on all of these plans. And with all of these plans, the one important thing to note is the automation credits that you get, right? So with license tier 1, you just get 6,000 credits. And with license tier 2, you get 10,000, license tier 3, 23,000, and license tier 4, 50,000. With all of these features like automations, apps and tools, and AI agents and chatbots, you can just create 5 of them in license tier 1. And with license tier 2 and beyond, you can create more automations, more AI agents, and more internal apps. So if you just want to test the tool out, I think license tier 1 should be sufficient. But if you're really serious about optimizing the operational efficiency of your business, then you should think about license tier 2 or license tier 3 or even license tier 4 if you run a larger company. Because when you build these internal apps and AI agents, you tend to consume a lot of credits. So I don't think 6,000 credits will be sufficient once you start using the platform. So if you want to test the tool out, I think license tier 1 is good. But if you really like it, you can just upgrade your plan to license tier 2 or beyond. Now that you're aware of all the plans that are on offer at AppSumo, let's do a quick tutorial of Diaflow where I'll show you how it works. Right, I've just logged into my Diaflow account, and during the tutorial, if you feel like checking the tool out at AppSumo, if you want to check out all the AppSumo plans that are available at Diaflow, you can click the link in the description. You'll be taken to the AppSumo page, and like I said, there'll be a price increase in a few days. So if you really like this tool, if you think it can make a difference in your business, go check out the lifetime deal that's currently live at AppSumo, and you can grab it for $79. That's license tier 1. Let me start this demo by showing you the apps that are built using Diaflow. You can build similar internal apps for your website from scratch, but what I would recommend is choosing any of the templates that Diaflow provides you. So these are all the templates that are available. For example, there's a template for generating blog posts based on documents. There is a template which basically generates a privacy policy page for you. There is also a template to create App Store or Play Store description. There's also a template for generating an SEO-friendly blog post. So there's a variety of templates for you to choose from. And out of these templates, I created these 5 apps. So before I launch any of these apps, let me quickly show you how you can build an app using any of these templates. So let me pick this template, which basically generates a blog post for you based on an uploaded document. All you need to do to pick this template is just hit the clone to your workspace button. And then in the next step, there'll be a flow which will be created for the app. So this is the flow that has been created. Now, if you launch this app as it is, let's say you hit the execute button, you'll be shown an error because the trigger hasn't been activated yet. So by uploading a document at this stage, what you're doing is you're basically programming the AI to work efficiently. So the moment you upload a document and then generate a flow, that's when the app will start working. So let me just upload a document here. Now there is a document that has been uploaded. It's my ebook on the ultimate content marketing toolkit. It can be any random document. What you're doing is you're basically just programming the AI so that it works. So now that the document has been uploaded, so the trigger document is ready and you can go hit the execute button. Now on the right side, you'll see the diagnostics and you'll see that every step is flowing smoothly. So the AI is now working, and once you're satisfied with the result, you can just hit the publish button and the app will be live. And this will be an internal app which can be used by your team. And to access this, you can go to apps and you can launch the app to see how it works. Now in this case, you can upload a document and then hit the execute button, And since the role of the particular app is to generate a blog post from the document that you've uploaded, it will be performed perfectly. So let me just demonstrate this. Let me just upload a document here. So I've just uploaded another ebook. This is an ebook by Noah Kagan, who's the founder of AppSumo, and he's basically sharing some of his top tips for YouTubers. So now that the document has been uploaded, I just need to hit the execute button. So it'll take a few seconds to process the document. It all depends on the size of the document, and this is the blog post that has been generated. It also has a call to action at the end and a meta description. All you need to do here is just hit the download all outputs button, and a text file will be downloaded, and you can just copy it to your WordPress. So in a similar fashion, you can create other apps as well. Let me just show you how the privacy policy generation app works. Let me just go to edit flow. And in this case, what you need to enter here is you just need to enter your company name. You need to enter your website. If you have an email address, you can enter that. And once all the essential fields are filled, you just need to execute it to ensure that it's running smoothly, and then just publish the app. So you can experiment with a lot of templates here. I'm hoping that they'll add a lot more templates in the future. Right now, there are around 22 templates that you can choose from, but I'm sure they'll be updating the templates here. So based on your requirement, you can choose any of these templates and make some changes to the flow so that the app is working perfectly for you. So that's how you create an AI app for your website using Diaflow. Now, similarly, you can also create AI agents and chatbots. So I've created a chatbot for 99 Signals. So let me just show you how that works. Let me just go to edit flow to show you all the fields that you need to fill. So here you have the response settings. You can choose between different conversational styles. You can choose between creative, balanced, expert, and you can also have custom settings here. So let me just go with balanced. And you can also change the opening text and questions. So all of these fields are auto-filled. If you need to make any changes, you can make them right here. You can also add opening questions here. So there are some prompts that the users can choose from. And now, most importantly, you can also choose between different AI engines. So right now I've chosen OpenAI, but you can also switch between Anthropic, Google Gemini, Cohere, and Mistral AI. So let me just go with OpenAI, and you can also choose the different models in OpenAI. So these are the two latest models right now. Let me just go with GPT-4o Mini. You can also set up the memories. If you go with a larger number, it'll have more memories. It'll generate a personalized response to the user. So let's say if this is a user who's a repeat visitor to your website and they've used the chatbot before. So you can personalize the response more by increasing the memory. And you can also set up follow-up questions. So I'll show you in a minute how that works when I launch the chatbot. But you can just select the auto-suggest follow-up questions here. And now this is the field that is the most important. This is the knowledge source, right? So in this case, if you just want ChatGPT to be activated on your website, you can select not using any knowledge source. But in my case, what I would like to do is I would like the chatbot to know everything about 99 Signals, right? So someone who's visiting the website for the first time, I want the chatbot to be able to respond with an overview and probably share some of the topics that 99 Signals covers. So what I need to do here is I need to select the knowledge source as vector files. And if you want to manage your vector files, you need to click on View Detail. And this is where you can manage all your vectors. So a vector can be anything. It can be a document, it can be a specific URL, or it can be your entire website. In my case, I've selected my entire website. So that's the vector that I'm going to use. So let me just save this. And once the app is ready, you can hit the publish button and the app will be live. Before you launch it, you can also change the appearance of your chatbot. This is where you can give it a title, you can give it a tagline, you can upload your logo, you can even have a cover, and you can also change the color and style, right? You can switch between creative, modern, classic. You can also choose a different background color. So whichever suits your brand's color palette, you can go with that. And there can also be a call to action button, right? So all of that can be changed here. You can also change the contact us button. And once you're satisfied with the way the chatbot looks, you can just hit the save button and your chatbot will be live. So let me just launch the chatbot to show you how it works. Let me just start a new conversation. Let me just type something like, give me an overview of 99 Signals. And the chatbot has come up with a response which is basically a very neat overview of 99 Signals. And right at the end, there are these 3 follow-up questions which the user can choose from. So let me just pick this question. And it has neatly summarized what I essentially cover at 99 Signals. So you'll find educational articles, you'll find examples and case studies, you'll also find recommended tools and resources. And right at the end, there are these different follow-up questions. Let me just pick the second question because I think it's a brilliant question where the chatbot can recommend some of the top articles from 99 Signals on SEO. So it has come up with 5 best articles on SEO from my blog, and I can click on any of these links and I'll be taken to that specific article. So this is how the AI chatbot feature works on Diaflow. So right now I've only used this platform to create internal apps and internal chatbots, but you can also use it for different functionalities. You can start building automations and workflow from scratch. Or to make your job much more easier, you can pick any of these templates and start testing out the tool. You can see your credits right at the bottom here. I had 25,000 credits when I started. Right now I'm down to 23,442 credits. So you can consume these credits pretty fast, and that's why I wanted you to really think about the plan that you're going with, because plan 1 only comes with 6,000 credits per month. So be wary of the plan that you go with. You'll be ending up consuming these credits pretty fast. Even though you'll be building only 5 automations or 5 apps, you'll be really tempted to use the different templates that you find on Diaflow. So think about the plan that you're going with. And like I said, at the time of doing this review and tutorial, there are only 4 days left before the price is increased. So it starts with $79. It may go up to $89 in a few days. So if you think this can improve your workflow, if you think it can improve your operational efficiency and productivity, just grab it as soon as possible at AppSumo. You can find a link to the Diaflow lifetime deal in the description of this video, so you can check it out while the price is still $79. That wraps up this quick Diaflow review and tutorial. Hopefully this gave you a good look at what this platform can do and whether it's the right fit for you. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other SaaS reviews and tutorials, including deep dives into AppSumo deals you won't want to miss. And if you're into discovering powerful tools to grow your business, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.